Okay, so here's another house update. It's pretty close to being completely finished. So we probably have one more update after this if I had to guess. Maybe two, depend on how long it takes them to get the rest of the furniture here. But yeah, we're starting in the master closet today. Here's pillows that they gave us free with the mattress that we purchased. And then here's the mattress on the upholstered bed frame that we got. And then we ended up covering that window over there with this bookshelf. So that's something different than the last update. And that has something to do with feng shui. That's why we did it. Apparently in the master bedroom or something, there can't be a window right across from another one, is how they explained it to me. And then there's the bathroom, not so much change in there because that's pretty much been finished since last time. And then we're going out to the living room. They brought the sofa in. And then you can see out here on the balcony that they put the cabinets in of where the washer and dryer is going to go and the stackable. It's pretty windy today just because lately it's been the rainy season here, but not too bad with the rain. There's like one shower in the afternoon that's kind of been happening daily. And then here in the kitchen, we got the refrigerator in, the cooking top, the oven down there, the dishwasher. I think I showed y'all last time, but yeah, it's getting really close. And then there's the vent or whatever. And then here's our coffee bar with our finished countertop and little back wall segment on there. And then this is the power outlets we have on it that you could slide to each side of this platform right here. And then down here's the utility area, and then our where we'll put our shoes is down there, finished with the same countertop as the coffee bar. But yeah, that's everything for this update. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.